Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how to get the concrete mix in 7 Days to Die. So first thing first, we'll need to have a cement mixer unlocked and crafted. Once you do, we'll need some crushed sand, which can be made inside of the cement mixer from some small stones. And then we'll need some small stones also. Easiest method is to go underground and just mine it with your pickaxe. Also, make sure you've got the skill inside of the strength tab, the miner 69, because this is going to increase the damage of your pickaxe, and also the mother load, so that you get bigger yield of this stone. We'll just need to smelt some small stones inside of a forge and craft some cement from it. Pick this up and go to the cement mixer and just go ahead with all of the ingredients in your inventory. Go ahead and create the mix. This is pretty much all. How to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.